Turn up to this combi boiler, no heating is the fault. It's got a plug-in programmer, so the first thing I'm going to do is whip out the breakdown Bible, scroll down to combi systems. Going to find combi plug-in programmer fault finding flowchart. Is the programmer display on? Well, it's an MT10, so we'll just assume it is. Check that the programmer's calling. We're going to check that the room stat's calling. Is the boiler displaying a fault code? No, it's just sat there idling. So now we need to go to the PCB, whip the case off and check if there's 240 on LS. So we are getting 240 on LS. We're going to go to the room stat, remove the cover and check if there's 240 at terminal 1. So earth to 1, we have got 240. So now we're going to see for 240 on 3 while it's cooling. We're getting that. Now we're going to fly back over to the boiler and check if there's 240 on LR, which there is. We are getting 240. Breakdown Bible says replace plug-in programmer. So I'm going to whip that out. As soon as that's pulled out, you can hear the boiler trying to fire. We've got the green light, we're good to go. Obviously I have one of those on the van. Going to turn the power off because I could do without spiky air. So that all seems to be working. That's another one fixed, happy days.